Hello, welcome. I wanted to share my next lapbook experiment with you. Thinking about Valentine's Day and just colors and spending time making something up as I go and using fun, colorful, bright paper and really just enjoying the process of making a lapbook that opens up and seeing kind of how far I can keep it going. And so the whole idea was just to have something again that's like a chunk in your hand, which I love, and just different parts and compartments. And so I just thought I'd share it with you really quickly. And I love the idea of having some of this beautiful seam binding and papers that opened out. And I also really, I seem to have a stack of photographs kind of that I'd put together of, these are authentic photographs that have not been scanned or copied. And this, well, as I was thinking about putting photographs in here, I had the photographs in here are of friends, because for a long time I didn't really have a Valentine, and so I love the idea of just having, you know, friends, and it doesn't have to be romantic love. This is kind of sweet friend, you know, kind of that young girl fun, and just enjoying papers and all that kind of stuff. So this isn't really a romantic love Valentine's journal. This is a fun, girly Valentine's journal. So, oh yeah, you know, and it's funny because sometimes I forget things very quickly. I just finished this the other day, and already I have forgotten some of the things. I just loved these flowers, and so even though there's nothing on here, I just wanted to be able to look at that. So here we go, and then this closes. And I found, and this of course has a you know, a flat spine, which obviously works a lot better. And then I really liked better the ability to take the books out. So there's pockets in there. There's a vintage botanical flower book that I've enjoyed using papers from. And this is just to write in and stuff. So there's not a huge amount. And then I do have some sweet vintage Valentines. I also, I'll put the link at the bottom of the video, but I also went ahead and did scan a few of the Valentines that are in here, just a couple, and some other ones that I have that are really great. So that's a printable that is available in my Etsy shop. And they're just really so wonderful. I wanted to share them. So there's different bits in here. I did ransack all the paint chips and some hearts. Kind of silly, kind of fun. And then this one, of course, is like a favorite, Doug's. This is one of the ones I scanned. And this is just has some just some paper and a little sewn pocket. And just some things in here and in here. And I really did just simply like the paper in here, so I didn't put too much stuff in here, but that's a little bag that has some paper in it. And then this just little Tim Holtz thing. And so this is where the pockets are kind of happening, and there's again just a lot of things in here, papers. So there's that, and that text in there, and this text in here. And again, and look at that wonderful photo, 1944. And then one of those wonderful images from the botanical book that I have. We'll go ahead and open this part. Again, just little bits in here that I tucked in all of the tuck spots. And then this opens up. And this wonderful, I love these images. The colors, it must be colors layered over, and so it's real pretty. And this one, this is my favorite one. Absolutely gorgeous. Maybe they're going to a Valentine's dance, I don't know. Looks like it. All right. And I think that's about it. Oh no, a little more. Let's see. And this is another one of the Valentines that I did scan. Very sweet. To share, and little bits that can be opened up. So that opens up like that, or that comes out like that. And here's just some bits. This is, and I think this is the third one that I've scanned from this book. But these are the originals are in here. So, and then another little booklet that comes out. Another photo of two women. They're all vintage. This one's 19. I'm not sure what that says. But and then this booklet would pop out as well this way, and is mostly just paper sewn in to write in. More Valentines and some vintage 1918 paper. So lots of little places to tuck more things in. All of this can be taken out, changed, all that kind of stuff. And it's been fun to share with you. Let's see. And I think for me the fun part was just that it sort of keeps going. I think when I thought about opening this, and the idea that, you know, it just keeps going and playing around with all of that was super fun. And then having a little insert that kind of goes together, that can be separate, things you can take out, little booklets that you can take out and use separately, or you can tuck something else in here if you prefer, if you've used this, and places that are kind of a little secret or set aside, and then something that closes up to this wonderful, like, thick. I just love when it's a chunk in your hand and the way that that feels. And so and there is a light spray on top of this, just to, the paper seemed pretty absorbent, so I wanted to make sure that it wasn't going to pick up everything. So it does have a very light spray on it. So thanks for watching, and it might be fun to get a group of folks together and try your hand at lapbooks and see what we come up with. I know it's an old thing. I guess people have been making it for a long time. It's something I've just kind of thought, oh, I'd actually like to try to make one. And so I've been stuck on that idea for a little bit. Thanks.